Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Akriti Bharti, a student of 8th standard. My father's name is Mr. Ram Kumar and my mother's name is Mrs. Usha Kumari. I just came from village Chennai to my school. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please, can you introduce?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Srijal and I read in 8th standard at Chamba Millennium Public School. My father's name is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar and my mother's name is Mrs. Rita Devi and I just come from village Hadota.
Okay. As you told, you are in 8th standard.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
must have read so many topics, so many chapters and all. So I just want to test your basic knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about, you have read already, right?
Yes.
So explain me about its acid or
Okay,
basis.
ma'am. Okay, about acid. Yes, ma'am. Acid is a word that is derived from the Latin language, which is acidus, means sour. Acid are the substance that donate protons or accept electrons. They neutralize bases and they are sour in taste like lemon, salt, and many more. They turn blue litmus paper into red. On the basis of their occurrence, they are divided into two types, the natural acid and the mineral acid. Natural acid are also known as organic acid because they are obtained from the natural resources, like citric acid that we obtain from the citric fruits. On the base of mineral acid, they are also known as inorganic acid. They are produced by the minerals. The example of the mineral acid are nitric acid, that is an example of mineral acid. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you please explain some words about basis?
Yes, ma'am. Bases are the substance that accept proton and donate electron. They have a bitter taste, turn red litmus paper into blue, and neutralize acids. Bases with a pH of 14 are very strong and reactive.
Okay, as you have explained very clearly, can I ask some questions within that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, Shrejal, please tell me. Let me tell you the wording. A base makes available a share in a pair of electrons. Can you tell me whose theory is this?
Ma'am, Lewis.
Very good. And Akriti, please tell me what is the value of pH of acid rain?
Ma'am, the pH value of acid rain is lesser than 5.6.
Okay, and what is the pH value of curd?
Yes, ma'am. The pH value of curd is lesser than the pH value of the milk.
Okay. Is curd an acidic substance or basic substance?
Ma'am, the curd is an acidic
And
substance.
what's the base of it?
Ma'am, the base of a curd, I think the milk.
Okay. So which acid is present in tomato?
Ma'am, oxalic acid.
And Trajal, can you please tell me which acid is present in tamarind?
Ma'am, tetric acid.
Okay. Let me ask you one more question. Within what range does human body works within the pH range?
Ma'am, 7.0 to 7.8.
Okay, very good. As we use most of the fruits in our daily life, and I'm going to ask you about the orange. If I take an example of orange, which acid is present in it?
Ma'am, I think citric acid.
Okay, and one last question. What happens when acid is mixed with water?
Ma'am, heat is evolved.
Okay, very good. You have given us a very informative topics and the question answers as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.